Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Let me show you something interesting today I never noticed till I was fixing my espaliered apple here. This is a 4-in-1 apple tree. I was just making sure when it becomes dormant in about a month, maybe a month and a half, that it's all nice and taut, trained the way I want it to be so it's nice and straight as can be. I keep it as a dwarf. This is all I want. I don't want any longer than this. While I was doing this, I looked to the right for some reason, and I saw that there was fresh jujubes on my Jujube tree. I thought I collected them all. About a month ago, there was about maybe 15 to 20 jujube fruit all in here. I collected them all, ate them all. My son ate them as well. He loves them. I never looked up. I don't know why I didn't look up, but I didn't. Maybe they were really small then. So then now that I thought the season was over for this tree, typically this tree does go in the month of September where it ripens. But like I said, this ripened a whole bunch a while ago. And now when I look up, I have more. I have about maybe 12, 13 of them, maybe 14. Look at all that. I never even looked up. I don't know why. And it's getting top heavy too. But I never looked up. Really delicious fruit. If you guys never tried this, well, I shouldn't say that they're delicious. They're just really sweet. They don't have that much of a taste, but they do have a texture of an apple. And I love how shiny they can get. As you can see right here. Oop, that just came right off. Well, regardless. So you can see how shiny they are. I'll take a bite of it right now. You hear that crunch? So that's what it looks like on the inside. Texture of a apple, but it just falls apart in your mouth. Kind of like cotton candy almost, but not really. I'm not too sure how to explain the texture of this. I was pleasantly surprised. I love that in gardening. Every day you learn something new, or you find something new, or you find new fruit you thought you finished. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe.